Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will let you know how you can delete multiple contacts from your iPhone. Open Contacts. It's an app with a person shaped on a grey background and colored tabs along the right side. Tap a contact's name. Doing so will open their contact page. Tap on Edit. It's in the upper right corner of the screen. Doing so will allow you to make changes of this person's contact page, including deleting the contact altogether. Scroll down and tap Delete Contact. It's at the bottom of the contacts page. Tap Delete Contact again when prompted. You will see this prompt at the bottom of the screen. After doing so, the contact will delete it from your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.